Everyone, this is my daughter Cash, Doctor, naturopathic Doctor Kashmir. Cash, what do you think about that corn?
It's delicious.
By the way, she's complete vegan. She don't eat meat and stuff like that. So she says good. How is that potato though? Hot.
It's savory and garlicky. It's delicious.
Really good. That's my daughter Cash. Thanks, son.
Thank you.
Hey everyone, how are you? It's Mukesh Ramit and welcome to Amazing Outdoor Cooking. Today it's all about the barbecue. Barbecue chicken with potatoes and corn on the grill. I don't really know how to barbecue. If I need to do it, I'll do it, but I'm not that good. But when I need some good barbecue, chicken, lamb, whatever, one man I will call, one man I'll go to. And that's my very, very close friend, Hank. Come in here. This is my boy Hank, very close friend of the family. And like I say, he's a barbecue master. How you doing, Hank?
All right,
Thanks for coming.
no problem.
Yeah, so chicken,
Right, what we're gonna start with is chicken today.
break it down.
First, what we're gonna do is use our normal green seasoning, get that blended up. Culantro, cilantro, thyme, garlic, scallions, and some pepper.
Nice. And are we gonna use any of these spices?
We're gonna use some complete seasoning, some paprika, and
Paprika.
normal salt and pepper
And check out my new salt and pepper.
in Worcester.
I'm stepping up, guys. And soy sauce.
Yes.
Nice. Now this is what I like about Hank. Come in here with that camera. You see this like quarter? He likes to cut it all the way down in half. Cooks quicker and more juicy. And the thighs, he likes a barbecue with no skin. And trust me, I had this before. It's really good. I'm gonna wash my hand, guys, but let's get through this first. Okay, so we have the chicken, the seasoning, the spices, corn.
Corn, we're gonna have roast corn, and we're gonna do some steamed potatoes on the grill.
All right, so there you go, guys. So we're gonna get all these in the chopper, chop it up, the season.
Right.
So we're gonna get all the seasoning going, and we'll get back for the grill.
Yep.
Nice. Okay, let's do this. You can blow that, yeah.
We're gonna save a little bit for the sauce.
Okay. That's the complete seasoning.
Complete seasoning, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I love that seasoning. That is full of flavors. Okay. And we're just averaging. We all
Yes.
do that averaging thing. Salt. pepper. Paprika. No, it's sold out. Yeah, but you have to take it though. Like it's already gone. It's in my pocket. Oh, yeah. How much is it for? It's nothing. Let's go. What's that, Hank?
This is Worcester sauce.
Okay.
Some secret sauce.
That's the secret sauce. Okay. And that's smelling good already.
A little bit of soy sauce for some color.
Soy sauce. Nice.
Okay.
That's all the seasoning.
That's
it. Okay. And mix that up well.
Yes.
Nice. Feeling the heat already?
Yeah.
I
Definitely.
know. Okay, chicken is all seasoned. So, how long are you gonna let that sit for?
That can marinate at least for about 20 minutes or so.
All right.
And then you can put it up. The longer, the better.
All right. So, what we're gonna do right now?
Next move, we're going to dice up the potatoes and get that ready for steam.
Okay, cool. All right. So let's get started on that. So that garlic is for.
This garlic is for the potatoes. We're
Okay.
gonna do garlic butter potatoes, steam them on the grill.
All right. All right. So season looking good. It's been sitting for a while. Want me help you with?
So yeah, you can dice up the potatoes. I already diced up the garlic.
Okay. So we're gonna do this like in quarters.
a large
like four.
dice, yeah,
And this.
in about maybe 6 or so.
All right.
And then we're gonna put them into the foil
Mhm.
with butter, garlic, and some salt and pepper.
Okay. And
We're gonna peel a few of the skins off on
Okay.
the corn, and
that's gonna go on the grill just like that.
like that.
Okay. All right. Cool. So let me get with the potatoes first, and then right.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
I guess like
You
this.
make me my size or your size? Like, oh no, you know. All right. Yeah. When you do your size, but it's rough one immediately.
That's good, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's for the big one, and for the small ones. Nice. New knife, guys. All new. Oops, that's a little too much, Hank, huh? You
That's
good
fine.
like that?
That's fine. That's fine.
Okay. Just cut the top off.
Yep.
Even this to home.
Yep.
Nice.
Okay, so what we're gonna do first is we're gonna take a little butter. We're gonna put it at the bottom, only so not to let the potatoes stick. We're gonna go in with some fresh garlic, salt, pepper, and some complete seasoning. Some more butter at the top. And close them up. Try to get it as sealed as good as you can.
gonna heat. So you're gonna put all the corns here, right?
All the corn, all the potatoes.
All the potatoes going on here too?
Yes.
Huh. And
Alright, so what we have first, we have the leftover seasoning boiling right now. We're gonna make our own kind of barbecue sauce.
what sauce is that you're using there, Hank?
We're using a barbecue base, mesquite smoke.
That's a good one. The Kraft. Sauce?
Worcester sauce.
Okay. I like the average, Hank. That average thing. Soy sauce?
Soy sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Some of the leftover seasoning from the chicken.
That's what it's gonna give it
It's gonna
the
give it a little
taste.
flavor. Let that boil for a little while,
Mm-hmm.
and then we'll put it on the chicken.
All right. No ketchup, no nothing? Okay.
Ketchup.
I convinced them to put the ketchup.
If you want.
Yeah, if you want, you can do without it, but yeah, ketchup. Ketchup is good. Ketchup is good.
Okay, this is about 20 minutes in. See the kind of color that we got right now. We're gonna get ready to put some sauce. I'm just gonna make a little rearrangement.
This look like lollipop chicken.
Right.
Yeah. With a barbecue lollipop kind of thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like lollipops. How's that corn? Oh yeah. Woo! Yep.
Okay, so these are almost done. We're gonna slide these to the side.
Base this chicken with this really delicious barbecue sauce. That smells really good. Only like quarters? No, just this.
Those are almost done, so we're just basting to get a little flavor.
All right.
And then the rest we can, as they finish, we'll take them off and baste them.
Looking good, Hank. Looking good. Okay, so these are the finish. So we're gonna take this out right now. And we're gonna leave the rest in there. Finish that off, finish off the corn. Finish off those potatoes. Okay. Now what we're gonna do with this, while it's in here, we're gonna baste it. Oh, that's hot. That's hot. That's hot. This is my favorite right here. This lollipop. That is what I want. And when we take them out, we'll baste as we go. And here, we're just gonna keep adding the corns down here. So we'll get it finished in time. Okay. Okay, good. You see these pieces here? This is my favorite. I love this. And I like doing chicken in small pieces like this. I don't like the big pieces. This cook quick. And it holds all that moisture in it. So it's nice and juicy. Oh, yeah. And now we're gonna take that. Yeah, and just throw it in here. These. Nice. This potato is done. Whew. Ouch. The corn, maybe a few more minutes. The corn is done. I can't find Hank no more. Don't know where he is. Hank, corn's finished. Take it out. It's finished. I took out all the hocks, everything. So here's how we're gonna prepare that. Hank is gonna butter it and I'm gonna salt it. Right, Hank?
Yeah, that's exactly it.
Okay, I'm gonna hold it like this, and you go ahead. Just
You
rub
just
that
spin it.
butter on it. That's all we need to do. And this corn is very hot, but you know what? Okay.
Chef always has
Yeah.
hands.
It's okay. Nice. Good. Good. Okay. And now
Little salt,
all
little
we do
pepper.
is just sprinkle some salt over that. Turn them around. A little more salt. Good?
Good to go. We'll rest it back on the grill, put some more butter at the top, and just let it melt.
Are we gonna rest it?
Just like
Like
just
that.
like
Hey, go over with the whole stick. See what you're doing, it's gonna fall on the side of it.
My buddy Chinese. Whenever he comes by me, it's like Christmas. I feel like, oh, like celebrating because I don't really see him that much. But when he do show up,
I show up.
Yeah.
I show up. I show up.
and I
show
love
up.
you, you know that.
And you cook good food.
There, you see, that wasn't planned at all. So first, Hank, again, thank you very much. Amazing job. Check out this chicken. Just check out that chicken. The corn. And the potatoes.
Irish potato.
Man, that's gonna be good. So, and by the way, this is a gift I got from my daughter today. She decided to buy this for me. Hank, what are you using?
Yeah, one piece of that and a lollipop.
And a lollipop. Now do the lollipop. Corn. Hold that. Boom. Shiny.
Same thing.
Same thing.
We ain't changing. We ain't changing none. We ain't changing none.
Lollipop. Corn. Hold it. Hold on to that.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Very. Very welcome.
All right.
That's yours. And then we're gonna do one more here. For me, I want this. This is the one I want. My corn. And that delicious potato. Check that out. So, Hank, taste time, huh?
Yes, sir.
Let's see. Come on here, Chinese. Let's. Well, first I want to try the potato. Ah.
Nice and soft.
You know, I watch a lot of people on the YouTube video and like they taste something and they close their eyes like, I'm gonna do that. Tastes so good. And this chicken, I've been dying to taste this. What do you think, Shiny? Yeah. I think it's really, really good.
On point.
Master
Point.
chef.
Point. Point.
Corn. Okay, I'm gonna do this again. I'm gonna do this. This is good. You didn't disappoint. I love this. Really, really good. I'm just gonna use my fingers here. Hot. Alright, so this was just like a backyard line. We didn't plan to do this video, but since we were going to do this barbecue, I called over Hank because I was feeling for this barbecue. He came over, and thanks again, Hank, for this delicious meal. Really enjoyable. And for the people out there, please, I want you to like, subscribe, and share for everyone. And like I say, until we meet again, my friends, be safe. Thank you.